My name is Sean Bain. I'm the founder and president of Biiview Technologies. Biiview is an AI-powered video sharing platform. What does that mean? We marry commerce and entertainment. Viewers who are watching videos and movies on our platform can click on any on-screen image and get a description of the item, and if it's something that they're interested in, they can purchase the item on the website.
Fire inside me blaze like a siren. Why would you try it? Wake up the beast, no I can't keep silent. I put my time in, now it's my time, your time is expiring. Blood, sweat and